everyone. Today we're going to continue to practice some story problems with penguins. All the story problems we're going to work with today are addition. Sometimes when we do addition story problems, we don't know what our whole number is, and sometimes we have a missing part. So you'll have to be careful when we solve the story problems to see if you're solving for the missing part or the whole. Let's take a look at this first one. There are 9 penguins standing on the ice, waiting to dive in, and 5 penguins already in the water. How many penguins in all? Take a minute to think. Are you solving for the missing part or the whole? I agree, we're solving for the whole because we already know that part is 9 and the other part is 5. We have 9 penguins standing on the ice and 5 penguins already in the water. So we want to know how many in all. So my equation for this would look like 9 plus 5 equals, what does 9 plus 5 equal? I agree, 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. There are 14 penguins in all. Let's look at this story problem. There are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in, and some more penguins in the water. There are 12 penguins in all. How many are in the water already? So we know we already have 8 penguins on the ice. That is one part. So I know I'm going to put 8 here. And there are some more penguins in the water. Do we know how many more? No. So I'm going to say 8 plus question mark. And then there's 12 in all. So that must mean that 12 is my whole or my total. So I can say 8 plus, equals 12. Here I'm solving for a missing part. See if you can figure out what 8 plus, equals 12. Great, it's 4. So there are 4 in the water already. So if you have 8 penguins waiting on the ice, and 4 more in the water already, that means you would have 12 penguins in all. Nice job. All right, this one says, there are some penguins hiding behind the hill, waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, there will be 11 penguins in all. How many are hiding behind the hill? Well, it says there will be 11 in all, so I know 11 is going to be my total. So I can write 11 here. And we said there are some hiding behind a hill. Do we know how many? No, so that's our missing part. And those penguins that we're not sure how many there are, they're going to join 5 other penguins. So I could say 11 equals, plus 5. See if you can figure out how many penguins are hiding behind the hill. Great, 6. 6 penguins were hiding behind the hill. 11 equals 6 plus 5. Nice job. Now you're going to try some story problems on your own on the next 2 slides. Remember, sometimes you might be solving for the missing part, or sometimes you might be solving for the whole. There's also a challenge problem on the last page, but you don't have to do it. It's optional. If you want to give yourself the extra challenge, go ahead and give it a try. Nice job.